why you're going in custody. The reason why you're going in custody is because you're continuing to use. And being on methadone plus using other drugs is not good. And in each of these police reports that I read, you were passed out.
Repeated overdoses and a shocking confession led to a tough decision. Watch as the judge confronts a defendant's life-threatening addiction.
Court is calling 2023 CR 9087 and 9088, State of Texas versus Luis Miguel Hernandez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense.
Hernandez for the defendant, Luis Miguel Hernandez.
And are you Mr. Luis Hernandez? Counsel, have you received all the discovery in each of these cause numbers, and did you review it with your client?
We have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. And each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled application for probation. Did you review those with your attorney? Did you understand them, and did you sign them?
Yes, Your Honor.
And each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review those with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment in each cause number?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented in each cause number?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Hernandez, in each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the cause number ended in 9088, you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 less than 1 gram. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. And cause number 2023 CR 9087, you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams. That's a 3rd-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And each cause number, if you have a plea with the state, court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
As to both charges, yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Hernandez, in either cause number, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
And each of the cause numbers, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. And each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you the plea bargain agreement. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea bargain agreement. All right, everyone, you need to whisper. According to the plea bargain agreement and cause number ending in 9088, punishments be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. And the cause number ended in 9087, punishment is be assessed at 10 years in the prison. The state is recommending community supervision. The cases will run concurrently, and cause number 2023 CR 9089 will be taken in consideration. And there's a request that you be referred to drug court. Did you understand that that's the plea?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes.
Showing you in each cause number the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions
Your Honor.
outside the agreement? And cause number ending in 9088, state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. And the cause number ending in 9087, state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 8 years. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then in the cause number ending in 9087, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And in the cause number ending in 9088, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
The state offers dates to the one in both cases.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
And state just one moment. Mr. Hernandez, in each cause number, did you review the documents entitled waiver and consent, the stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. Thank you. And Ms. Abrams, this is Luis Miguel Hernandez.
Thank you.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments in each cause number, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of, I'm sorry, you didn't apply for deferred adjudication. So on each cause number, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor. We would ask done today.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. Part of the reason he accepted probation and the reason the state has extended an offer of probation, he has been treating a methadone clinic with the Center for Healthcare Services since March of 2020. That being said, he did admit on this date that he did have a setback. He's been clean since that time and continued to treat with the methadone clinic. We do believe that probation is an excellent opportunity for him to remain sober. He does receive Social Security disability income, is that correct? Yes, sir. Disability and SSI.
I'm sorry, you're going to have to speak up so the court reporter can hear.
I'm sorry, I said SSI and disability. He's receiving Medicaid, so we've just asked the court to consider that in sentencing him today.
All right, why are you receiving SSI?
I got a schizoaffective disorder and PTSD.
All right, so how
Disabilities.
often are you using?
Um,
And here's the thing, you need to be honest with me because I've read the police reports and each time with the police reports, you were passed out and they had to use Narcan to revive you. So that's very dangerous.
I mean, I've been doing good lately, but I mean, my thing is, you know, when I get really stressed out and like, you know, depressed because my bipolar and stuff, I tend to run to that, you know what I mean? And I'm working on it and I know it's not right and I'm trying to.
So when's the last time you used?
Last time?
Was it yesterday?
No, I mean.
Because I will have you direct.
Yes.
No,
ma'am.
no,
Marijuana?
we're not
Oh,
talking about
from
marijuana.
Oh, yeah, it's been a long time.
So if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And there's someone here to drug test you today.
Marijuana, maybe some methamphetamine.
All right, anything else?
That's it.
So when's the last time you used?
You talking about the opiates?
Mhm.
Oh,
Opiates, the fentanyl, the heroin.
oh, that was my first and last, only time doing fentanyl, honestly.
All right,
But my thing is heroin, and that was, since then, I've probably done it one time, to be honest.
and the meth?
Oh, the meth, that's just like, it's around, you know what I mean? Because my mom is on that stuff, unfortunately. But probably like it's just bad habit that I might hit it and like maybe once a month or something.
All right, and cause number, do you have children?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And cause number 2023 CR 9087. Court is going to sentence you to 10 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 8 years. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 9088. Take in consideration 2023 CR 9089. There's going to be referral to felony drug court. And that's going to be in custody. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. UA hotline until further notice. Proof of employment or SSI within 60 days. So you have to provide proof of that.
Yes, ma'am.
There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. 90 sober meetings in 90 days. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. $200 hours of community service restitution. Probation, is there anything else needed in that cause number?
No, Judge.
And cause number 2023 CR 9088. Court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 5 years. Take in consideration 2023 CR 9089. This is to run concurrent with 2023 CR 9087. Referral to felony drug court in custody. Proof of employment or SSI within 60 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. UA hotline until further notice. 200 hours of community service restitution, 90 sober meetings in 90 days, field visits 1 time per month until further notice. All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement in each of these cause numbers, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Sure.
All right, we're going to go off the record. Mr.
Real
Hernandez.
quick, on the record,
Oh, on the record.
Is he allowed to purchase those community service hours just because of his disability, or does he have to find some place to perform that will take into consideration?
Oh, I think they'll find a place for him.
Very well.
And usually with felony drug court, they will actually, they're very creative with the community service hours as to doing things that can help you. So they may waive some of your community service hours if you go on a retreat. All right. Off the record. So let me just tell you why you're going in custody. The reason why you're going in custody is because you're continuing to use, and being on methadone plus using other drugs is not good. And in each of these police reports that I read, you were passed out. And in one police report, you had overdose and they had to use Narcan to revive you. You could have died.
But you
And
can look
then-
at my UAs at the clinic, and I don't use heroin. and
No,
opiates.
I mean, the problem is you're using other thing than just heroin. You're using meth. So, you really can't trade one drug for the other.
I mean, I don't use it all the time.
So this is what's going to end up happening. We can go off the record. This is, your attorney will talk to you. I'm going to reach out to felony drug court if you don't have a problem with that, counsel.
None.
And see if they can interview him this week, because I think he needs to be in there quickly. And I will send an email to them to see if they can accept him, explain the situation to them. And you need to be honest with them. Don't be like, oh, it's just marijuana or it's just this. No, you need to be very honest with them. All right. And Miss Abrams, also, can you do he probably is going to need a Mickey Val as well. Yes. Okay. Thank you. All right. Thank you. And in one police report, you had overdose and they had to use Narcan to revive you. You could have died. And then, no, I mean, the problem is you're using other things than just heroin. You're using meth. So, you really can't trade.
Luis Hernandez faced the judge for multiple drug possession charges. Despite being on methadone treatment, police reports showed he'd repeatedly overdosed and needed Narcan to be revived. The judge, clearly concerned for his life, pressed him on his recent drug use. Luis admitted to using heroin, meth, and even fentanyl, downplaying some of it as just marijuana or just around. This honest but evasive confession showed a struggle with addiction. The judge, seeing his repeated overdoses, decided a strict approach was necessary. She sentenced him to a combination of prison time and state jail, both suspended and probated, along with a referral to felony drug court and a clear warning: honesty about his usage is critical for his recovery.